Hi everyone, it's JJ here and welcome or welcome back to Be Colorful. Today I'm gonna start using the Spellbinders Joyful Christmas Kit. At the moment it's still available on the website. You find the link below in the description box. I set myself a goal: use all content included in the kit. Now that I'm editing this video, I can tell you that I have used almost everything. These are the leftovers at the moment. So far I have created a total of 69 cards, if I counted correctly. So in the videos that I'm gonna publish, you will surely have a lot of ideas on how to use this kit or similar kit, which contain cutout figures, stickers and pattern papers. I don't comment step-by-step videos, otherwise I'd finish posting them in 10 years. They will be short videos. I hope they can inspire you, both if you own the kit and if you want some ideas for card designs in general. But now let's start this fantastic adventure with the Joyful Christmas Kit from Spellbinders.